Good luck getting it to stay up. Cool. If I blast that one out from the corner, I'll probably make a good run upfield. It's probably what I'll end up doing.
Are we ready?
It's not gonna stand up.
Stay. We don't need it. We'll kill you anyway.
Yeah. If we're good like that, we're safe.
Barrels on the barrel. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Back right. Back right, tombstone, back left. Back right's out. Tombstone's out. One guy, back left. He's out.